Hi, this is an unboxing of Canon EOS RP, which comes with RF24-105mm, F4-7.1 ISM STM lens. So this comes as a kit from Canon, and this one retails for $12.99 US. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the box. Let's see what comes in the box. Okay, so there's a manual for the camera, EOS RP. Let's take that on the side. There's a document somewhere here. I think this is a warranty document. So I'm gonna, let's keep it aside as well. Some more paper. Thing setting up the camera. Let's take it on the side too. Okay, so what's in the box? So I see a battery charger. I think this is how you charge the battery, and then there's a battery in there as well. So that's the battery for the camera. Let's take this on the side. Okay, so take this one off. Okay, so this is the camera strap. It says Canon EOS RP. Let's take that on the side as well. I think nothing else is here. Let's take this one off. Okay, so I see two things. This one seems like it's the camera body. So this is where the EOS RP camera is. Let's open this one up. Yeah, so that's the camera body, Canon EOS R, and this is RP. Very sleek design. Let's keep that to the side as well. Then let's see what. So I think this is the lens. Let me take the lens out. Let me push the box out. So this is where the lens is. Take this cover off. So that's the Canon 24-105 lens. So this is everything that came in the kit, in the camera kit. So it came with a camera body and a lens, and a battery charger, and a battery, and a camera wrist strap, the camera manual, the warranty information, and some information about the software to use to upload the photos from your camera to the cloud or to a computer. So I think this is the unboxing of EOS RP kit. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you once again for your time.